Hi everyone, this is Samantha from Samantha in Secondary, and I want to show you today how to create digital task cards using both Google Slides and Google Forms. The first thing you want to do is create your Google Slides presentation and label your first slide with whatever you want to call your deck. This is my Ethos, Pathos, and Logos practice deck. So each question that I add has an example of Ethos, Logos, or Pathos, or none, and then the number of the question. So I put all my questions in first. And then what I do is I create a Google form to go with this deck in order to use it digitally. Now, this particular deck that I'm showing you is very flexible because I also have the questions in here as well. So students could just use the form alone if they wanted to. But some of them do like to go back and forth, or I put it really big up on the board and we go through them together. The reason why I do it like this is because I like to give a lot of flexibility when I'm creating decks. The other reason I really like to do it this way is because when students are finished, it allows them to see the correct answers and know what they got right or wrong. And it also gives you a record of them having completed the activity. So you can use it for easy formative data, or you can use it for a quick grade, or for whatever reason you might like to use it. The other great thing about doing it like this is that when you're done, if you want to use this as a printable instead of just a digital deck, you could just file and print. And there are some print settings down there that I can't seem to get to right now. There we go. There are some print settings down here that will allow you to print them as task cards. And what I would do, see right here, I would do handouts, and I would either do maybe 2 per page, and then you can cut them out. You can laminate them if you want to keep them for a long time, or if you want to have multiple classes use them. You can really do it in lots of different ways. So however it works for you, that's what you do. But I really like this method. I like using Google Slides and Google Forms together. I don't always give the questions here. Sometimes it's just number one and then the actual answers, and then they can pick whichever one they want, hit submit, and then it actually self-checks for them. If you're not used to creating a Google Forms quiz, it's really easy. You just hit settings, quizzes, make it a quiz, and then once you put your answers in, you go to your answer key and just set the answer correctly. Put however many points you want, click done. And then where students are done, it'll actually tell them if they got the answer correct or not. But you have to make sure that your settings allow them to see their missed questions and correct answers so that they can actually use the task cards to practice. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about how to do this, please let me know at samanthainsecondary.com. Thank you.